ready to unlock a world of entertainment by seamlessly integrating your Apple TV with Airtel Xstream. This quick tutorial will guide you through every step. First, on your iPhone or iPad, locate and open the Airtel Xstream app if you don't have it installed. You can find it in the App Store. Once inside the app, tap on the Profile or Settings icon. This is usually found in the bottom navigation bar. Within the Settings menu, look for an option related to device linking or Connect a TV. Tap on this option to proceed. You'll now see a unique activation code displayed on your iPhone or iPad screen. Keep this code handy, as you'll need to enter it very soon. Now, switch over to your Apple TV. Navigate to the Apps section on your Apple TV's home screen. Open the App Store on your Apple TV and search for the Airtel Xstream app. Download and install the Airtel Xstream app on your Apple TV. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On your Apple TV, within the Airtel Xstream app, you'll see a prompt asking for an activation code. This is where you'll enter the code you saw on your iPhone or iPad. Carefully type in the activation code from your mobile device using the Apple TV's on-screen keyboard. Ensure you enter it accurately. Once you've entered the code, press the Confirm or Link button. You'll receive a confirmation message on both your Apple TV and your mobile device, indicating that your Apple TV is now linked to your Airtel Xstream account. Congratulations! You've successfully activated Apple TV on Airtel Xstream, opening up a world of seamless streaming enjoy.